Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the new chapter, chapter number 2, animal tissues. We have studied about different type of tissues found in plants. In this chapter we are going to study about the tissues found in animals. So, the tissue can be defined as a group of similar cells performing a specific function. The unicellular organisms like amoeba and paramecium, they do not have tissues. All the life functions in these animals are performed within a single cell. On the other hand, the multicellular organisms like animals and human beings have different type of tissues that perform different body functions. On the basis of type and the function of the cells, animal tissues can be divided into 4 basic types: epithelial cells, connective tissues, muscular tissues, and nervous tissues. We are going to study about all these tissues in detail in this chapter. First type of tissues, that is epithelial tissue. It is a thin protective layer of cells which covers the external surface of the body as well as inner linings of all the internal organs. For example, the outer layer of the skin, inner lining of the mouth, and organs such as esophagus, stomach, intestine, and lungs. The cells of the epithelial tissue are tightly fit together, having no space between them. The functions of the epithelial tissues are: it supports and protects the internal organs, it prevents the entry of the germs in the body. On the basis of different shapes of cells, epithelial tissues are of following types: the squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, and columnar epithelium. Next type of tissue is connective tissue. They are specialized for connecting various tissues and organs together. They are found in different structures of our body like bone and blood. The cells of connective tissue contain a large amount of intercellular substance called ground substance or matrix. On the basis of the structure and function, connective tissues are of following types: connective tissue proper, skeletal tissue, and fluid connective tissue. Connective tissue proper. It supports the various body parts. It fills up the space between the organs. It connects a bone to a bone and a muscle to a bone. On the basis of this structure and function, connective tissues are further divided into 2 types: areolar tissue and adipose tissues. Areolar tissues. These are the simple and most widely distributed connective tissues which form a continuous layer beneath the skin of animal's body. As you can see in the figure, this is the ground substance matrix which has got yellow and white fibers and the mast cells. Due to the presence of areolar tissues, our skin can be easily stretched and on release returns to its original position. That means it provides elasticity to our skin. They are found in the dermis, that means the layer of a skin, in the ligaments and tendons, and in sheath of muscles. The function of the areolar tissue is to support and build a wide variety of body structures. It binds the skin with the muscles, attaches the blood vessels to the surrounding tissues. The second type of connective tissue proper is the adipose tissue. It is loose connective tissue primarily located beneath the skin. It is also found around the internal organs such as kidneys and heart. It is specialized for the storage of fat. Specific examples of the location of adipose tissues include subcutaneous layer of the skin, heart and kidneys, yellow marrow of the long bones, padding around the joints, inside the eye socket and posterior of the eyeball. Functions of adipose tissue. It acts as energy source. Whenever our body needs energy, the fat stored in the adipose tissue gets converted into carbohydrates and release energy. It provides insulation to the body by forming a thick layer of fat beneath the skin. It acts as a shock absorber for internal body organs, especially in the case of accidents or injuries. The differences between areolar tissues and the adipose tissues. Areolar tissues are simple and most widely distributed connective tissue. They form a continuous layer beneath the skin. Adipose tissues are loose connective tissues primarily located beneath the skin. Areolar tissues build a wide variety of body structures. Adipose tissues provide insulation to the body by forming a thick layer of fat beneath the skin. Areolar tissues bind the skin with the muscles. Adipose tissues act as an energy source. Whenever our body needs energy, fat stored in them gets converted to carbohydrate and release energy. Thank you.